Have you ever thought of an idea that borrowing could be a strategy to generate wealth? It may sound counterintuitive, but there's a financial technique known as gearing that allows just that. To break it down, gearing is essentially the process of borrowing money to invest in assets that are likely to increase in value over time. This could be shares, property, or even a business. The aim is for the income and capital growth from these investments to not only cover the cost of the debt but exceed it, thus creating wealth. Imagine for a moment a seesaw. On one end, there's the borrowed money, and on the other, the potential investment. The trick is to balance the seesaw in such a way that the investment outweighs the borrowed money. This is the essence of gearing. It's important to note that, like any financial strategy, gearing comes with its own set of risks and rewards. The rewards can be significant, especially when investments perform well. The interest on the borrowed money is usually tax deductible, and the income and capital growth can provide a healthy return on investment. However, the risks are also worth considering. If the investments underperform, the debt still needs to be serviced. Hence, it's crucial to invest wisely and consider all potential outcomes before diving into gearing. A common form of gearing is property investment. Borrowing money to invest in property, particularly in a rising market, can lead to substantial capital growth. Over time, the rental income can help service the debt, while the property's value increases. This is a perfect example of how gearing can create wealth. Another popular form of gearing is investing in shares. Borrowing money to buy shares can provide both income in the form of dividends and capital growth if the share price increases. However, the stock market can be volatile, and there's always a risk that share prices may fall. Gearing is not a one-size-fits-all strategy. It requires careful planning, sound advice, and a good understanding of the financial market. It's also essential to have a well-diversified portfolio to spread the risk and increase the chances of success. To summarize, gearing is a financial strategy that involves borrowing money to invest in assets. When done wisely, it can create wealth by generating income and capital growth that exceeds the cost of the debt. Gearing can be applied to various investments such as property and shares, but it's important to understand the risks involved and seek professional advice before embarking on this strategy. In the wise words of a Swedish proverb, "Buy what you do not need, and you will sell what you cannot spare." It's a reminder that wise investments can lead to wealth, even when they begin with borrowing. So, next time you consider borrowing, think about gearing and remember that with the right strategy, it could be a path to creating wealth. And as always, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video if you found it informative and helpful.